Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha asserted that the opposition Tripura Motha has raised the demand for a separate state for tribals to mislead the indigenous people. Without naming the Tripura Motha, Saha told a conference of the heads of all indigenous tribes that the BJP-led government will spend Rs 5,000 crore for their welfare and not 6,600 crore as claimed by the opposition party. If anybody comes and highlights the problems, we will surely address these troubles. But divide and rule politics will not be tolerated, the Chief Minister said at the conference. Saha's statement came weeks after A.K. Mishra and the advisor of the Ministry of Home Affairs for Northeast held a meeting in New Delhi with a delegation of the Tripura Motha, which has been demanding a separate Greater Tripura land state for tribals. The concept of Greater Tripura land has not been specified, though it is supposed to include parts of several other northeastern states and Bangladesh besides Tripura. The slogan for Tripura land was raised to mislead the people. We have seen crocodile tears for 30 years left regime to achieve political goals. They used the tribal vote bank politics, the Chief Minister said. Saha asserted that a northeastern state will not be developed, leaving behind its indigenous people who comprise 32% of its total population. There should not be any division among the people as we all are united to achieve Ek Tripura, Shrestha Tripura, One Tripura, Great Tripura, he said. They, Tripura Motha, are saying that the state government has given only 600 crore to the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. But the reality is the Rs 5,000 crore will be spent for the welfare of the indigenous tribes, Saha says. In the TTAADC election held in April 2021, the Tripura Motha bagged 18 of the 28 seats that went to polls, and the ruling BJP is in the opposition in the council. Saha said the northeastern state witnessed massive development since Narendra Modi became Prime Minister in 2014.